Problem 27. Justin uses a container in the shape of a cylinder to store his markers. The diagram below shows the dimensions of the container. So we have a cylinder, has a circular base, and a height of 20 centimeters. Which of the following is closest to the volume of the container? Closest to the volume. So that tells me we'll be able to approximate, which will be key in making this problem a little bit easier. So go to your tax math chart and look for the formula for volume of a cylinder. And volume of a cylinder is, there are two formulas. Pi r squared h, or volume equals big B times h. These are the same because big B is the area of the base, which is that circle. And we know pi r squared is area of the circle. So let's use this formula and plug in the numbers that we have. We don't have the radius, r is the radius, but we do have the diameter. D equals 14. If D equals 14, the radius equals half of that, or 7. Remember, radius extends from the center of the circle to a point on the circle. And diameter is the chord that goes from one point on the circle to another and passes through the center. So our radius is 7. So the volume would be pi times 7 squared times the height of the cylinder, which is 20. So V equals pi times 49 times 20. Now, I know in PEMDAS we go from left to right, but since these are, so for multiplying these all together, all we have is multiplication. We could look first at these two and make this a little easier on ourselves because, like I said in the beginning, we're trying to find which of the following is closest to the volume. And so we can approximate and use 50 right here. 50 times 20 would be 1,000. So V equals pi times 1,000. Let's do it off to the side. Just 50 times 20. So pi times 1,000. So V equals 3.14 times 1,000. If we're multiplying by 1,000, we can move the decimal 3 places to the right. So 3.14 times 10 would be one place, times 100, times 1,000, add a 0. So approximately 3,140 cubic centimeters. And the only answer choice that's even close to that is answer choice A. And we shouldn't be surprised that it's a little less than what we calculated, because when we approximated, we increased this number a little bit from 49 to 50. So answer choice A is definitely the correct answer here. Okay, problem 28. The model below represents the, actually, I'm looking at this problem and I'm going to want to spend a little bit more time on this one, so I'll end this video with problem 27. We'll pick up the next video with problem 28.